National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, east central McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over McHenry, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grandwood Park, Wakonda, McCullum Lake, Lake Villa, Old Mill Creek, Gages Lake, Fox Lake Hills, Fox Lake, Mundelein, Holiday Hills, McHenry, Round Lake Beach, Lake Muir, Johnsburg, Ringwood, Haynesville, Pistakee Highlands, Grays Lake, Island Lake, Round Lake Park, Wonder Lake, Round Lake Heights, Antioch, Prairie Grove, and Libertyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.